suggest my friend to get out of it. Hello guys, welcome to Digit.in. My name is Shrey Pacheco and today we'll be looking at some of the new locations in Call of Duty Mobile. Specifically the Battle Royale mode, and that's going to see a new expansion of the isolated map towards the north and the northeast. So now let's do this. So as you can see, there's a new... So initially the map was only till the nuclear plant and standoff, but now it's been expanded. We've got downtown, harbor, black market, sanitarium, Frigid Wetlands, ski town, heat. Today what we're gonna try is find some secret locations somewhere on the map. Apparently there are some hidden locations in Sanitarium and the black market. Another thing you guys will notice is there are certain areas that are highlighted on the map now. These areas are I think they call them the hot drop locations or hot loot locations, one of the names. I'm so sorry, I forgot. So the idea being is that these locations are rich in high level loot. So in case you guys land there, you're gonna find some good loot there. So this is the Sanitarium. As you can see, it's a pretty big location, big hospital and everything. Sanitarium actually, not a hospital, but that's just semantics, I guess, at this level. Lots of opportunities for close quarters indoor combat. Just pick up a weapon for now. So from what I've heard, the Sanitarium has a secret room that once you need to do certain things in order to unlock it or whatever. I have no idea where the room is though. What I know, it should be here somewhere. Ah, there it is. So as you can see, it says it's closed at the moment, but it needs 8 teddy bears to open. So we're gonna destroy these bears. Release a nice little rainbow colored puff of smoke. Oh, there's one. I think that's 3. How hard can it be to to kill a teddy bear? Quite hard because they're sneaky little buggers. Oh, there's one. Die, teddy bear. See, I'm pro like that. Yeah, teddy. There you are. Die. That's 3, 4, 5. I think we need 3 more. Another new thing is that the compass now marks the location of anyone who's shooting, a little bit more vivid. You see the door still locked. There's a sound. Yes, and as you can see, this room is now open. Through 8 kills and it's filled with a bunch of goodies. Woohoo! You got the tactical flashlight, by the way, which is a new addition in the game. I'm gonna drop this for my friend, and I'm gonna drop the tactical flashlight. So the tactical flashlight works by, well, you just replace one of the locations in your gun. Wait, so this is how it works, by the way. If you look at it and if you look at another player, and yeah, you can see the person is blinded, they can't see properly. Let me just give it to... So I've dropped it. Could you please pick it up? And I again request, do not shoot me. Do you have that gun with you? Yeah, this should be the green.
Revived flight will arrive
There
in
you
1
see.
minute.
The moment she turned the flashlight on me, I couldn't see anything. I think it only works once, which is funny. I think we'll check out the farm. So one interesting thing about the farm also is that we have a new monster there now. We have the butcher. Up, that is behind you. It's behind you. Get out of there. So this is the new monster. Earlier we had the Cerberus, which was of course based on the mythical created demon. But I would suggest my friend to get out of there.
A flight will arrive in 1 minute.
So for all that's worth.
Airdrop has been delivered.
So that was a quick look at the butcher. And off we go. Let's check out the drop locations. As per the game's patch notes, the new tank, it does not spawn on the map any other vehicle. It actually drops down from...
Tank has been delivered.
Oh, just the tank has been delivered and you can see the tank being dropped. It has a unique marker as well. So it will be... Well, it will be hunted by other players. So... Yeah, if you're going for the tank, it will be good. Okay, so we have the tank here. Sort of reminds me of the Israeli Merkava tanks. The controls of the tank are slightly more different than a vehicle per se, because you don't have the left right, it's just it's more like trying to control a very unwieldy player. Now we'll be landing in Black Market, which is another location that has some secrets. And we are inside. We did it. We managed to glitch ourselves inside. Unfortunately, we won't have much time here. But yeah, that's how you get in. So today we'll be landing at, we'll be checking out the downtown area, the harbor. Oopsie.
Get ready.
So the harbor is, as the name would suggest, a harbor. I know, we at Digit are your technology navigators. So of course the big piece here is the ship over there, which is in dry dock. And according to in-game lore, the ship contains a lot of hazardous chemicals, per se. This is the ship with its deadly cargo. I somehow landed right there. Sea shooting them releases clouds of noxious gas. So if you guys aren't careful, this might just kill you, or the enemies might use this to their advantage and just throw a grenade in there. So be careful. And I think that's pretty much it for harbor. We'll check out the wetlands, ski town and heat on our way back to downtown, since downtown is in the circle. You have the wetland area. So there's a wasteland. It is the Frigid Wetland area. A quick tour and we'll get back to the tour bus. The houses and the room, nothing special about the house and the rooms here. It's pretty much your same basic abandoned church. Fire, this is new. Let's check out the next location, which is Ski Town. So that's Ski Town. I think the surface of it, it's again a bunch of houses. Seems like an okay location. Very little in terms of houses, but let's just check out one of the houses. After that we shall check out downtown. Actually we'll do a quick tour of Heat and then we'll check out downtown. It's pretty much bare bones basically. Let's get out of here before we die and check out Heat. A little bit more urban as compared to Ski Town. You can see a bunch more buildings. as well as a new helicopter. It's a little bit more urban, a little bit more, what's the word for it, close quarters to mid-range fighting, a bit of, sort of remind me of Sakura and Overgrown. Let's head over to downtown now. So the most notable location downtown is apparently a 3-story building right at the middle, which I think is that. Let's see if we're going to land on top of it. I think that's a new stock that was added to the game, which is stock light. Just another one of the many new attachments that have been added, including the flashlight, of course. You have the ballroom and the disco with the unbreakable disco class. Apparently disco never dies. That's a joke. I tried. Wait, it says you can play. So now you can play music. I have to say, the guys over at Call of Duty really did put a lot of thought into this update. There's a bunch of stuff already there. We have your secret locations in the Sanitarium, we have your secret bunker in the black market, which can only be accessed through God knows what means. You also have a tank that's been added, new weapons, all sort of things. It's pretty cool. It'll be interesting to see how well this expansion actually goes with players once it's dropped. I think that's pretty much it for now. We'll catch you guys again in another video. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. And of course, for more videos information, stay tuned to digit.in. And if you want to read more about this, by the way guys, do visit digit.in, where we have a completely detailed patch notes for everything that's there in the new map. Till then, let me see if I can die quickly. Please kill me.
Half of the teams are eliminated.
Bye bye guys.